Guys, it's Thanksgiving, birds in the oven. I thought I'd sneak out for a little hunt. I'm at my son's school, and I just pulled a 19S wheat right over there. So I started scanning around here, and then I got this like penny dime signal. I got this old silver spoon. It's not sterling or anything, but it says Monroe Silver Company. So I don't know. I have to look around a little more, but don't have much time today. But if I find anything good on the way back to the truck, I'll let you know. Take care. Okay guys, I'm back from a hunt. Just a little one while the birds in the oven, while everybody was sleeping in. These are my finds. I got a really old pencil band. Not super old, but got a little junk ring, old jack. This was kind of cool. It's a good luck souvenir from Cannery Row. I'll get you guys a close-up of that. And I think that's my first Chuck E. Cheese token of the year, so that's cool. This was the first target I dug on the edge of the playing field. It's a 65. Just to taunt me. Got 2 nickels, 2 dimes, 1 copper 77, about 6 or 7 zinc ones, a couple pieces of can slaw, and the spoon again. And I'll get you guys some close-ups, and hope you have good luck out there hunting. Take care. Those of you here in the States, happy Thanksgiving. Take care. Happy hunting.